What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Dash Coin. So, yep, without wasting much of your time, good morning to each and every one of us. Hope we've all had a great week so far, a great weekend also. So, yep, back to the chart right here. We could see clearly that Dashcoin is doing very well. Yes, it's been rallying from the daily time frame right here. You could see that it's managed to find support around here at $31, and from the weekly time frame also we could also see that it's managed to find support around that level. So back to where we currently are right now, I would say from the 4 hours time frame you could see it's been doing very well. You could see the fact that from this bull flag pattern right here, it's consolidated within this range and it broke out finally. You could see we had another kind of bull flag pattern here, which we kind of broke out of it after this downtrend or this bull flag pattern. We broke out. So right now, the question right now is, okay, what is the probability, what is the chance that Dashcoin will continue rallying higher? So I'm here to put it to you that first things foremost, we need to acknowledge the fact that from the daily right here, we could see that Dashcoin has been up roughly 1 week. It's been up roughly 1 week, and correction is to be expected. Correction is to be expected one way or another. So we've been up roughly how many percent? If roughly, let's say 21%, we are currently up roughly 14-15%. So this is definitely something we need to have in mind. And given the fact that the FOMC meeting is coming tomorrow, we should probably be expecting moves like this, whereby you could see right now we retested this level at $36.30. So we got rejected from this resistance right here. So what we should be expecting right now is nothing but a pullback, and you could see we broke below $35, which is definitely this level right here, which we broke out of before rallying. And as we broke out of this level, there was no major retest. Even here, there was no major retest before we could rally. So I would say that since we are getting rejected from this level at $35, we are most likely going to be pulling back into this level right here at 33.95. And with the look of things, we could still drop all the way down to this level, but for now, let me say we could drop all the way down to 33.94 or 95, find support around here, then we could rally much higher. If this is not going to be the case, then we could even drop much lower down to, sorry about that, we could drop much lower to maybe all the way down to 33.22, or we could drop all the way down to 32.30, depending on how the FOMC meeting is going to be tomorrow. So I think this is basically what we should be expecting, or we could still end up breaking above this place today, above this resistance, finding support, or we might end up rallying into this level again before pulling back once more. So any of this is also very, very possible. So just letting us know right off the bat. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I still think that Dashcoin at the end of the day is still related to Bitcoin, and as you can see, Bitcoin is holding on very well so far this morning, and we could also see that the price of oil is kind of rallying. I think I saw 4%, but before a few minutes ago, but right now it's kind of pulling back a little bit, which seems to be giving Bitcoin strength one way or another. So without even wasting much of your time, you could also see that the S&P 500 open fairly good, fairly positive this morning, which I don't know how the New York opening is going to be, if it's going to be bullish or bearish. So you could see gold opening positive today, and most especially the US oil should be watch out. We should add it to our watch list, sorry, because this is definitely a huge indicator for the Feds to decide when they'll be cutting rates or not. And this is the uncertainty in the market regarding the whole war and tension and escalation between the Middle East and US. There is a high probability that the Feds won't be cutting any rate, because the hike in price means inflation going up. So I think that is definitely the basic economics you and I need to know. So yep, that is just basically it right here. So for Dashcoin might not break out of this resistance right here at $35. So thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.